Hey guys, welcome back to another Ignis Quick Tips. Today we're going to cover Blood Overdrive. Blood Overdrive is one of the base plugins for FL Studio that really can apply some great distortion to your sound. With a quick overview of the controls, you should be able to control this plugin and do some absolutely amazing things with your sound. Let's check them out, guys. Pre-band controls the amount of low pass we apply to a sound before it is amplified. Next up we have color. This is going to control the high pass to that sound. Next up comes preamp. Now this is basically going to be the amount of distortion that you're going to be applying. It's going to increase the volume of the bass sound in order to make it distort. So this is the amount of distortion. Not enough distortion for you, you can click the times 100 right at the bottom here and go ahead and add that extra amplification to the sound. Don't forget guys, turn the volume down. You may make your ears bleed with this one. Next up comes post filtering. This is another low pass field that is going to clean up the sound after amplification. Last but not least guys, we have the gain control. This is obviously how loud we want the sound to be after all said and done. Pretty self-explanatory. Thanks for joining us guys. Bye bye.